Okay, here is a little how-to on operating this Orbit timer thing. So I have like a sprinkler hooked up to this left side and then a garden hose over here. So this demo here is just to show you how to use a garden hose if you want to use it. You can have your nozzle on like this, and then you just take this, you can leave everything set fine on auto, hit manual, it's that button there, manual, and then it'll say what stations. I want station number 2 because that's what this hose is hooked up to. And then I say how many minutes do I want it to run for. I'm going to water some plants here, so I'm going to do 20 minutes. And then just let it go. It should start. Okay, so now there's water coming into the hose. And now I can water plants. In a second I'll show you how to clear it if you don't want to run the whole 20 minutes. Okay, so I watered the plants and I have 13 minutes left. I don't need all that time, so if you want to just revert back to normal and go into auto mode, then all you have to do is hit this clear button and it goes back to the way it was before you started. So that's all there is to it. These Orbit things are pretty easy to use and they're very good for as an alternative to expensive sprinkler systems. Thanks. See you later. Bye.